Open up your browser and simply search for Android Studio. This one, Android Studio. Click on that. Download Android Studio. So you will see this agreement. You have to read, agree, and then if you have a MacBook with an Apple M1, M2 chip, then you have to click this one. If you have Intel chip, which is just like me, so I have a MacBook with Intel chip, so I will click on Mac with Intel chip. So it is going to download now the Android Studio, as you can see. So we have to wait for it. So Android Studio has been downloaded successfully. If you go to the downloads folder, you will see it. Now you have to double click on this. You will see this pop-up window. You have to drag the Android Studio to the applications folder. Okay, like this. Once you do this, done, you can simply close this and go to the applications, that is to the launchpad, and inside the launchpad you will see Android Studio. Click on Android Studio in order to open it up and to install it. Click open. Then click OK. Don't send. Click next. Select standard version and click next. Here you can choose the theme which you want. I will proceed with the dark theme. Click next. Click next. Now here we have to accept the licenses. For example, we have these two. Okay, you have to select the first one, which is Android SDK license, accept. Then the Android SDK preview license, select this and accept. If there is any third, fourth, then select it one by one and accept it. Okay, when you accept the license for all of these, then you will see the finish button. Click on this and it is going to now download and install the required components of Android Studio in your MacBook, in your macOS. So wait for it. It will take some time depending upon your internet speed. So you can see that it has been installed successfully. Click on finish. Welcome to Android Studio. That is, this is our Android Studio. Here you will see this more actions. Click on more actions. Click on SDK manager. Make sure that Android SDK is selected. Then click on SDK tools, and inside the SDK tools you will see Android SDK command line tools. Check this, then click apply. Click OK. It is going to install the Android SDK command line tools. It will take some 2-3 minutes. You have to just wait for it. It totally depends upon your internet speed. So it has been installed successfully. Click finish. Click OK.